Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. This is your Thursday edition of the Carolina weather video, starting things off with today's video. A look at the 500 millibar pattern here across the country. A nice trough sort of swinging through the interior part of the country. And notice that little X. That's a little upper level disturbance back in entering parts of Arkansas today. That'll help to enhance our chance of showers and storms tomorrow. More on that here in just a moment. High temperatures today. Look at the 60s over much of Colorado there for highs today. Not a bad day at all across much of the Plain States temperature-wise, and really even on into the southeast and the Carolinas. Not bad at all. A lot of 80s for high temps, but still pretty muggy around our area down into the deep south. You have to go down to deep south Texas and parts of the desert southwest to hit triple-digit heat today. And we do have that continued chance today of scattered showers and thunderstorms out there. The air mass warm, pretty unstable. Highs warming up toward the upper 80s in many Piedmont spots, and that's supportive of scattered thunderstorms out there. In terms of severe weather, no slight risk area anywhere across the southeast, but like we've seen the past several days, some of these storms could pulse up to severe levels and produce some damaging winds and small hail, and certainly some locally heavy rain and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning, typical summertime stuff. Now, what's not overly typical is the pattern we're in, and around the base of that big trough I showed you. Now, let me go back and show you that 500 millibar chart. There's the 500 millibar chart, and around the base of the trough, it's just been a very moisture-laden pattern here from parts of Texas through Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. And this is the rainfall amounts from the HPC just for the 24-hour period of today, ending tomorrow morning. And we're talking 2 to 3 inch rain amounts over a wide area. Dallas, Shreveport, Jackson, Tupelo, up toward Muscle Shoals, Alabama, all in that heavy rain area for today. Now let's go out to tomorrow. I think we'll have a pretty good shot at some showers and storms. Notice that little dip in the isobar there across the Carolinas. In response to that little disturbance I showed you back at the beginning of the video, a weak area of low pressure tries to form, or at least a little trough swings through, and that should help to give us a pretty good coverage of showers and thunderstorms for tomorrow. Looking at the weekend here, the GFS advertising a decrease in the coverage of showers and storms on Saturday, and then the coverage increasing on the GFS again Sunday. I don't know about the specifics of that, but I think in general we can expect some scattered thunderstorm chances to continue over the weekend, mainly during the afternoon there for Saturday and Sunday. Out to Monday, still the opportunity for a few showers and storms. Another pretty decent cold front begins to approach Tuesday, so I'll mention the chances some thunderstorms Tuesday, mainly in the afternoon. And there on Wednesday, that front stalling out, so a continued chance of some thunderstorms in scatter fashion as we get on into Wednesday afternoon. Scanning out here toward the longer range, this is the comparison. European model on the left, GFS on the right, of the day 8 to 10 pattern, the average of days 8, 9, and 10 there on the 500 millibar chart of the upper air pattern. A little bit more troughing across the east on the GFS than the European. And the general idea here, I think, is toward the end of next week, say Friday and Saturday of next week, 8, 9 days from now, we might see this flat ridge trying to nose on in here from the west briefly, but it sure looks like then another trough is going to try to swing into the eastern part of the country as we head toward mid-August. So I still see no sign of any prolonged type of heat wave here across the southeast and especially the Carolinas anytime soon. So it looks like we should cruise into mid-August without any prolonged oppressive levels of heat. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Have a great Thursday, and God bless.